Hello, Min. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Very good. How was your holiday?
Hello, teacher. Um, hello, teacher.
How was the holiday?
Hello, good
Was it
evening.
good?
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes or no? How was
Yeah.
the holiday? Very good. Okay. Now, Min, what's the weather today?
It's Friday.
Yes, today is Friday. But what's the weather? Is it sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy?
Sunny.
Wow, that's
Sunny.
nice, Min. Okay, now, Min, look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. So now, look and complete the sentences with words from the box. So here are the words. There is one example. Now look at the example. There's a lot of ice in Antarctica. It's the coldest place in the world. Okay, this is number one. Now, what about number two mean? What's number two?
It's hottest.
Wow, look at number two. The the blank town is in India. It rains there a lot. So what's your answer?
Mm.
Is it driest, coldest, sunniest, wettest, windiest, hottest? Which one? It rains.
But what it?
Very good. Wettest. Okay. What about number three? Look and read.
Africa.
Africa.
Africa is this sunniest pack of the world.
Nice. Okay, so what is your answer? Africa is the, okay, say sunniest.
Sunniest.
Oh, what's your answer? Sunniest or hottest? What's your answer in number three? What's
It's
that?
hot.
Very good. Okay, hottest. What about number four? Okay, look and read.
Mm.
The
And the windiest place is Antarctica too. The wind there is very strong.
very
Strong.
good. Okay, wow, windiest. How about number five in Arizona?
Mm. It's hottest in
Wow,
and
in
in
Arizona.
Arizona is island free and sunny. It's the hottest place the USA.
Yes, nice. Thank you for that win. For this one, you got 5 out of 5. Perfect. So give me a high five, Min.
Okay.
Wow, you have 1 star. But there are some words that you mispronounce. Look, listen, and repeat after me. Say always.
Only.
Very good. Dry.
Right.
Nice. USA.
USA.
Great job. Okay, so Mia, look at number 6. Okay, what weather do you like most?
Mm. Is Winnie.
Wow,
Yes.
I want you to draw the weather that you like the most. Draw it.
Okay.
You can draw it in number 6. Nice.
No, no. What?
You can do it. Okay. Okay, what is this? Is it windy?
Yes.
Oh, very good, Mean. Nice. Okay, so Mean, let's review. Okay, look at this one. We have a present simple. Okay, so we use a present simple if we are describing an action that is happening at the moment. Okay, a verb form sentence that tells about the action, circumstance, which happens regularly. Okay, so look at this one. This is what we call positive sentence. Okay, or what we call affirmative sentence. Oh, let's just use positive instead. Positive sentence. We can see plus sign. So this is the structure. Subject plus am or is or are plus the predicate. Okay, we also have here the negative sentence. Subject plus the linking verb, then not, then the predicate. Okay, we have also the interrogative form, am or is or are plus the subject and predicate. Now, let me give you an example for that. Okay, so this one, my example is Anna is. Oh, Anna is. Hold on. Anna reads a book. Okay, so here, since it is Anna, it's only one, so we add S to the verb. Okay, now here, let's take a look at with present continuous. Look and read mean. What is present continuous?
Indicate an action which is in
Progress.
progress at the time of speaking or at the present time.
Very good. Okay, say indicate.
Indicate.
Nice. So, in other words, we use present continuous if our action is continuing at the moment. For example, I am teaching. Okay. You are listening. That is a positive present continuous sentence. Okay. But if we say negative, then we use not. Example, I am not dancing. You are not singing. So that is a negative sentence that is in present continuous tense. Now we have the question form. This is what we call interrogative sentence. Okay. So here, am I looking at you? That is an example. Okay. Are you listening to me? That's also an example. Okay, so Mim, let's look at the past simple tense. What is a past simple tense? Look and read.
Use the mm,
Used to describe
you discuss actions that
happened.
happen and fitness is um, in the past.
Very good. Okay, look, listen, and say. Finish.
Fitness.
Great. So listen carefully. We use past simple tense if our action is already done. Okay, and it happened yesterday or in the past. Example. Okay, look and read. Mary
Mary's was too lazy to go exercise yesterday.
very good. Now, this is a positive sentence or an affirmative sentence. Okay, now what is the subject? We have here Mary. Mary is the subject. Now, what is the linking verb? So we have was. Okay, we use was because this action happened yesterday. Is that clear?
Mm.
Yes or no? Do you understand? Yes or no?
No.
All right. So look at this one. Okay, yesterday. That is Thursday. Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Okay. So here, Mary was too lazy to go exercise yesterday. Since it is Thursday, which is yesterday, we use was. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now here, Mary is only one. So we use the singular form of the linking verb, which is was. Now, what happened if there are plural noun or subject? So look at this negative sentence. There weren't many people in the stadium. Since we have here many people, okay, our linking verb is were not or weren't. Okay, look at this one mean. We have was. Okay, this is the past tense of is, which is only one. Then where is the past tense of are, which is many. Okay, one means singular. Many is plural. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now let me give you an example for this one mean. So let's start with was. This is my example. Okay, so mean was um hold on. Mean was doing. No, not doing. Mean went. Oh, not went. Hold on, let me think. Oh, here. I was active yesterday. Okay, so here the subject is I, which is myself. Since I am only one, I use was. All right? Okay. Now, how about if there are many? So here, they. I will use they because that's more than one. Okay, they were lazy yesterday. Okay, since there are many, which is they, I use were because this refers to plural that means many. Is that clear? Okay. Now, teacher AM, why do we use was and where? Because it happened yesterday. Okay?
Mm.
Yes or no? No? Okay, so let me try to translate this one mean. Here it is. If the subject is only one, we use the linking verb was because the subject is singular. But if the subject is many, which is plural, we use the linking verb were. Was is the past tense of is and where is the past tense of are. Was is the, wait a minute, past tense of is and where is the past tense of are. Oh, hold on. If the subject is only one, we use was. But if the subject is many, which is more than one, plural, we use where.
Nếu chủ ngữ chỉ có một thì chúng ta sử dụng was, nhưng nếu chủ ngữ là nhiều thì chúng ta sử dụng was.
Was is the past tense of is and where is the past tense of are.
Was là thì quá khứ của is và were là thì quá khứ của are.
Is that clear? Okay. We use was and where because the action happened in the past.
Chúng ta sử dụng was và were vì hành
Wrong, 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 wrong.
Chúng ta sử dụng was và were vì hành động đã xảy ra trong quá khứ.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Now look at this one. We have the question form. Okay, look and read. Was she? Was she
Was
sad?
he was he says as the loaded the game. No, she what?
Okay, say no, she wasn't.
No, she wasn't.
Very good. How about this one?
Why wait the place so talent because they thought they would win.
Nice. Okay, say careless.
Careless
Thought.
us.
Very good. So here, if the interrogative question is answerable by yes or no, we can say yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Okay, but if the question starts with WH, just like what, where, when, who, okay, then we have to answer it in a sentence. Just like, why were the players so careless? Because they thought they would win. Another example, what happened or what happened to the players? Okay, the players had a fight. Okay, that's only another example. Now look and read this one mean. The players
The players
arrived
arrived very early to join the game.
very good. Okay, how about this one? Peter,
Peter is not latest last Monday.
nice. How about this? Did the fans
Is the fan cheered when he goes go or girl? Yes, they did.
nice?
What did you do yesterday afternoon? Rice baseball with my friend.
Very good. Okay, so now look at this example. The players arrived very early to join the game. What is the subject mean? What is the subject? It is the players. Okay, now what is the verb? We have arrive. Okay, and since it happened in the past, we add ed or d only. Okay, now look, Peter did not play chess last Monday. What is the subject? It is Peter. Now, it is a negative sentence, so we use not. That makes did not. Okay, did is the past tense of do. Now, how about this? Did the fans cheer when he scored a goal? This is yes, they did, or no, they didn't. Okay, another one. What did you do yesterday afternoon? I played baseball with my friends. Okay, so do you have any question?
No question.
Okay, now look at this one. Complete the weather sentences. Let me give you an example. Okay, it is windy today. It was hot yesterday. Now, your turn. Look and complete the sentences. It is windy
Windy.
today. Okay. It was windy yesterday. How about this? It is Cloudy today. Nice. It was
Cloudy yesterday.
very good. It is
It is sunny today.
nice.
It
It
was sunny
was
today.
it was sunny.
It was sunny yesterday.
Very good. It
It
is
is hot today. It
nice.
was hot yesterday.
Very good.
It is cold today.
Nice.
It was cold yesterday.
Perfect. So give me a high five, Min.
My friend.
Great. Okay, so you have another 1 star. Min, it's already time, so we will just end here. Thank you so much for joining our class. Okay, I hope you learned something. So today, you've got 5 purple stars. Okay, so I'll be seeing you on Monday next week. Bye bye, Min.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.